What if an affordable wireless headset can last up to 100 hours on one charge and still give you that high quality sound with LDAC and wood fiber drivers? Now, most cheap headphones sound bad and need charging every day, but the Roseselsa Cambrian is different. Does it really sound good, or is the battery talk just hype? I used it for a full week. Now let's stay and see what happened. Today we're checking out the Roseselsa Cambrian Bluetooth headset. And by the way, this is Rai. Thanks for being here. Roseselsa is known for good earphones, and now they made over-ear headphones. Big thing they promise, 100 hours of battery life. We all hate charging headphones all the time, right? So the main question, is the sound still good with such a long battery? Let's see. Inside the box, we have here the headset, a detachable cable, the charging cable, and of course, the user manual. Now right away, it doesn't feel cheap. The headband here is strong and flexible. The side parts are real metal made with precision machines. That's nice to see in an affordable headset. It weighs 270 grams and that's pretty light. The earbuds are thick memory foam with soft leather. I wore them about 4 hours a day for work and music, and they stayed comfortable. No pain, no hot ears. It feels strong enough for daily use, like commuting. Now for the key features deep dive, the main part is a 40mm driver made with wood fiber. Yes, you heard it right. Wood fiber. You don't see this often in affordable headphones. Wood fiber gives very natural sound, especially for voices and instruments. It is also supported by LDAC, so you get high quality wireless sound. Out of the box, the sound is balanced with a little warm. Voices sound clear and real. Guitars and drums have nice detail. Bass is good and tight. High notes are clear, but sometimes a bit sharp on bad songs. Noise cancelling blocks up to 48 decibels. It works great on low sounds like bus noise, office aircon, or coffee shop talk. Higher sounds like wind come through a little. There are 4 modes: strong cancel, light cancel, hear outside, and off. You switch by double tapping the left side, very easy. And you can also control it on the Roselink app. It also has a low latency mode for gaming, only 54 millisecond delay. So sound stays in sync when playing games or watching videos. Now I tested the 100-hour battery promise for real. Started at 100%, used it 5 to 6 hours every day with Bluetooth, LDAC, and noise cancel on medium. After 4 days, more than 24 hours total, I still had 68%. On day 7, it was at 42, and a full week without charging. That's crazy, right? Even with strong noise cancellation, you get 60 to 70 hours easily. Call sounds clear. The mic picks up my voice well even outside with wind. Now this headset is perfect for people who want good sound and hate charging often, listen to high quality music, or need headphones for work, travel all day. This is great. It offers you features usually seen in more expensive models. My score is 8.4 out of 10. Not perfect, but impressive for what it offers. Final thought, the Roseselsa Cambrian is a great choice if you want long battery life and strong features in an affordable package. It's part now of my everyday headset rotation. Now tell me what you think about the Roseselsa Cambrian. What are your thoughts? And if this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest reviews, and of course, see you on the next video. This is Rai. Thanks for being here. Bye guys.